If you can see from here, you can see this person has gotten $299 on this Binance giveaway. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If today is the first time joining my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate your time and I'm happy seeing you around. If you're part of the family, thank you also for joining this channel today, because today I'm going to show you how to make money, free money on Binance, because Binance is actually giving out free money to people around the world. So if you want to get that free money, you just have to watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you will not miss it. And guys, if you're yet to subscribe on this channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. All right, so let's dive into it. If you can see from here, you can see this person has gotten $299 on this Binance giveaway. All right, $299, 216 cents. All right, just free money from Binance. You can see this person also $239, 431 cents. This one is $237, 426 cents. Also this one is $219 and 92 cents. You can see out to this moment, you can even see more and see what Binance said here. Binance said each red packet rewards range from $0.01 to $3. All right, imagine just doing this, getting this every day from Binance. It is free, you don't have to put any money in it. All right, secondly, Binance will reverse the right to cancel the previous announced successful bid if it determines in the sole absolute discretion that such eligible user has breached these campaign terms, such as using cheat mode hack. So if you cheat, they have the right to remove the money they've given you. So it's free and people are winning it right now. So how do you partake in this? Just come to your Binance and click on this button. Now, because I've clicked mine today, that is why you are seeing share to win more. You can see from here I've gotten 0.05 cents. All right, from Binance. Just so when you come into this to your Binance, you're going to see claim. That's what you're going to see. And for me, I just have 1 day to, after 1 day I can come again and click on this claim again to claim more. But now I can see share. I can also share it to more people to earn more money. All right, so how do you come into this place? How do you get to this place? I mean, how do you get here? So but before I show you how to get here, you can see how to get more reward. Share the link with your friends claim their reward, you get an extra reward. Okay, so if I share the link with you and you claim your own reward, I also get an extra reward. So I've dropped the link in the description box. Just use the link to click on it and you go ahead to claim your own reward, so I can just get it a little bit, also, you know, win by lifting orders. So now after you've done that, the second, invite friend to get additional crypto red packets by inviting friends to claim the red packet via your link. Top invitation reward, top 10 user on this invitation ranking will be rewarded with 50 USDT. You can also get $50 just inviting 10 people alone. You can imagine that. So how do you get to this place? So right now I'm gonna go back so that you can see how I got here on my Binance. You can see this is my Binance account, right? So you can see how I got here. All right, so I'm gonna go back to from the beginning of my Binance so you can see how I actually got it. So when you log into your Binance, you're gonna see something like this, right? So the next thing you want to do on your Binance is to make sure you click on your wallet. So when you click on the wallet on your Binance, then the next thing you actually want to do from your wallet is to click on funding. All right, so once you click on funding, you're going to get here. So now when you're here, then the next thing you want to click on is to click on pay. All right, so when you click on pay, and also you're going to see something like this. So when you're right here, you're going to see this thing going back and front. Okay, you can see this going back and forth. So you're going to click on this particular one that I want to click on right now. Just wait and see the one I'm going to click on. The next one to this one is what I'm going to click on, which is this one, executive. So I'm going to click on it. All right, So once I click on it, then you're going to see claim your reward. Then you're going to claim it, and you have between 0.01 cent to 0.05. all right, so you come here every day and do it. You can also share your link to earn more, and you are getting just free money from Binance. Imagine. So if you've gotten any value from this video so far, kindly do what? Click on the subscribe button if you're here to do so, and also turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to give this video a like if you've gotten any value. So don't forget, I also drop the link to get to this part on your Binance in the description box. Use my link to claim your own free money too, and I will see you in my next video.